finishing up Chris's S10. We did I start at the back, actually. So first, Dad cut the factory leaf spring stuff off, narrowed the frame in the back, did ladder bar setup, and a Fab 9 rear end that we custom made here in-house. Coilovers, mounted a fuel cell on it, 2 big fuel pumps, Corvette Z06 wheels. I think they're 13 inches wide. Isn't that what it is? Yeah. Mark Williams axles from Brad at Wagon Wheel Performance. The bed's dirty. It's full of a bunch of stuff, but did a little fuel door right there. Got a tonneau cover to go on it and everything. The interior's not back in it yet, and Chris took the dash apart for stereo stuff or something, so don't mind the mess here. But got the Holly dash in it. Still have the screen over there. Terminator dills mounted over there. We did a little switch right here, which I don't know where we're going to mount it yet because the dash isn't all the way in it. But anyway, we did a little switch there. That is for our air compressor. We have an onboard air, second fuel pump, and the boost control solenoids. We flip that switch. Second fuel pump comes on, air compressor comes on, and boost control solenoids come on. Move to the front of the truck. We did a forged 5.3 liter dill. It's Callie's crank, it's stock crank, Callie's rods, I think diamond pistons. Jack sourced all those parts for us. Barker Machine in Amarillo built it for us. BTR intake, twin S366 73 turbos. I don't know if you've ever worked on an S10. It's super tight in here. There's a lot of shit packed in this tight engine bay. We had to do a rear mounted radiator, so we have, hey, I'm talking over here. I'm talking over here.
Sorry, buddy. I'm working over here.
There's just trying to make YouTube videos, trying to get famous. He's over there trying to make a living or whatever. Anyway, before we were so rudely interrupted, I had to do a rear mount radiator, so have a swirl tank here. There's no room, so we did, I don't know if you see it down there, an electric power steering pump off of a Volvo, so that's cool. Intercooler up front. Like I said, twin turbos. It's got a Tick Stage 5 6-speed T56 in it. I think a monster clutch. Willwood brakes on the front, Willwood brakes on the back. And then Chris is a machinist, so Chris made a bunch of the parts on this truck for himself. Ain't nobody got one of them. So super cool truck, finishing it up. It should be out of the shop in the next couple days, which I'll put in a video of it running right here.